Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's video topic is application for character certificate. To the principal, school name, date, then you have to write subject, and your subject is here application for character certificate. Respected sir, most respectfully, I beg to say that I am your name. I have passed 12th from your college. I'm joining engineering college for my further studies. I have to submit character certificate for admission. Sir, I request you to kindly issue my character certificate. I will always grateful to you for this. Thank you. Yours sincerely, your name, your class name, and your roll number here. Thank you.